Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I still think this is either a flat, meaning this right here is an A, this is a B, and we're now in a wave C. If it is a flat, then I would probably be targeting either the 100% Fibonacci extension, which lines up very, very well with this previous high, or if it decides to turn into more of an expanding flat, I would likely target the 178, 161.8, which also lines up with a really good area over here, really good resistance area. Now, it could be a WXYXZ pattern, which is how I have it labeled. The only reason why I still have it labeled like that is because for me, starting way back here, this is all three wave patterns all the way through, and a WXYXZ is supposed to be 33333 pattern, which it definitely does look like it possibly is playing out like that. Luckily for me, I don't really care whether it's an ABC flat or a WXYXZ because they basically are exactly the same strategy. We would be targeting around the 100% for a regular. We'd be targeting the 161, 178 for an expanding. So I would definitely take this information and I would apply it to the dollar pairs themselves and trade accordingly. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.